So, I don't know if you can see the snow on the video, but it's pretty windy out here. Hence why I feel bad that my husband's out in work and I didn't get his gear ready in time. But, yeah. All my friends and family in Virginia who canceled school last week for, I think they got, what, maybe 2 inches of snow. I don't know if I would have really called that 2 inches. Ridgeway, the town next to us, I know has school today, and I assume Johnsonburg does too, because heaven forbid they cancel if Ridgeway doesn't. Which, we homeschool, so they were going to do school no matter what anyway, but yeah. My brother-in-law Daniel, see these roads? Yeah. Kids still going to school. You can sort of see the mountain across the way, but it's a bit hard to see because of the wind blowing all the snow. And my poor hubby is out working in this today. So stay out of the way of the truck drivers, people, because guess what? They can't stop on a dime. But they still got a job to do. Bye-bye now.